Well, howdy folks, Shawn here from hikingwithshawn.com, and today we are on the River to River Trail over by Cedar Grove Road, and we're just going to go down the trail pretty much, go to Crow Knob, go past it, maybe Jackson Hole, and stuff like that, and you get to come with us. There's Michelle.
What?
Alrighty folks, here's Crow Knob. We're going to, of course, go up there and walk around and stuff. And it's a cool natural area. I believe they have a horse high line up here. Tie your horse up. And right on the River to River Trail too, so that's a plus. It's just a cool knob. And it has a lot of Underground Railroad history, so this whole area does. So Crow Knob, they get on top and light a beacon for runaway slaves, and that's how they know that, you know, they're going the right way. So the people of Miller Grove would do that, which was an all-black free community. Nice little parking area for your horse. High line, a couple of them. Old fencing. And it's a neat little area. Cool up here. Check this out. It's a gate hinge. It's a part of the tree now. Barbed wire. Alright folks, so we want to turn this hike into a loop. So we're taking Monument Trail 495. Looks like a pretty new sign. Alright, there's the mushroom folks, which is cool, but not as cool as that one. Just met some horse riders from Backcountry Horsemen, Illinois.
Holy smokes!
Always good to see them. They really take care of this place out here. Wow. Holy smokes. Look at that, folks. That is a big mushroom.
That's bigger than your head. I didn't think it could happen.